Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
Okay, so this Jurenfangnan, there's a lot of stuff happening here, but they're talking about it here, which you probably can't see very well, but they're basically talking about how this was like a lot of military stuff, a lot of history, things that went back many years, 1926, back to the communist era, even something as far back as 1395 AD, the Ming Dynasty, a lane of politics, business activity, all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna go down it. We got another one, a haiku for you. This is actually video 10 of 17. So I uploaded 10 already, 9 already, 10th one, and then I got 7 more after this. Like, subscribe if you want to see more haiku. I'll put a new one every 5 days. You've been seeing this up on the map, this kind of general area of where we are in China and in Hainan Island and also in the city of Haikou. And we're gonna be walking down Jurenfangnan political street. There's a lot of stuff I'll be exploring in the walk and talk, and you can hear me talk about it. Anyways, without further ado, I know that you don't want to hear me talking about it, but you want to see it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Haikou. So this is going to be our alley right here. I guess it's called Jurenfang. Before we even go down, I just want to look at this building real quick. There's this really amazing looking building right in here. And I don't know what the history is of this one, but it looks amazing. So it looks like somebody's house right on the corner here. But I think because this is on the corner of this lane, it must have some meaning to it. There's another reference to it. So we're gonna meander down and see what we can see, what all of the stuff is about. I wish you could read this a little bit better. But they talk about the Cultural Revolution, the Qing Dynasty, and I kind of call it like the alley of politics. So I think there's a lot of political activities here. This, I think, is a narcotics force. There was something I saw that was also like something about prevention of narcotics. Those look like policemen, but... So let's see what's all in here. So first off, we have references that I'm not sure exactly what it's about, but it looks like historical references anyways, but this looks more modern. You even have gates here and windows with curtains, so that looks extremely modern on that side, and then this side looks very historical. You even had the hairstyles of the day, and there's even these little lanterns up there as well. So you can see this at nighttime even. So I think what we're getting is a little bit of history. Then you're getting a little bit of social education on the other side, I think is what's happening here. Burning the books, that sounds very political. Tea. Okay. Scrolls, wise men. Another lantern up there. But yeah, the contrast is kind of interesting. It's so modern. There's even like modern birthday hats. Okay, so here's another alley. But I gotta stay focused on the alley that we're on. This one, because there was a reference to the politics, right? So everything's politics. This alley is like the alley of politics, basically, more or less. Okay, so let's just keep on going down. And then this one has numbers. Then another alley. And it's like we're coming out to a temple. Cool. Never know what to expect when you come down these alleys, but generally they're kind of interesting. Hey, check that out. Up there, there's like a window. Looks like somebody's apartment. Ah, okay, this opens up into a community. We got a basketball court here. So is this the it for the alley? Could be. I saw this a lot in Shaman too, where I was back in these back alleys, lots of history, and then suddenly it would go into okay, let's see, so it opens up into this beautiful little plaza. And it's kind of like a nice little colonial home right there. Little alleys. See, I like how these things are really community oriented like this. I'll just check this out real quick. And there's even these little commemorative things. So this is October 10, 2024. Okay, so let's go continue down. And I think this alley is either going to end or it's going to continue down more. Let's find out. Got some restaurants. So that alley was called G-Fan. I believe that was the name. Might be wrong. So does this continue into these little alleys as well? I don't know. But we were gonna walk down it anyways. We're gonna devote at least, oh wow, there's more little alleys, right? These are kind of endless with options here. So I can't really tell you which way that we should be going. But I know that this is kind of interesting. I'm gonna go down this way because I see a park bench down this way, so I just kind of want to get lost in the alleys a little bit and try to see what all is going on. Check out this tree, it's growing right up into there. But we do have these lanterns as well, so the same lanterns that we saw in the other one, unless that's a policy to have lanterns throughout the alleys, which might actually be the case. Another lantern. Very, very amazing. Look, that is really low lying. Huh, is that, look at these planted. I guess the lanterns are throughout. Let's meander into this, more into this alley. I want to go check out this home right there. There's like a little home right there. Oh, that actually ends. Oh, man, that home looks really cool too. There's like a little balcony. Get up there high and kind of overlook things a little bit. So there was this might be a way to go out because there's a I saw somebody look like they're going down this way. We would meander anyways. Find out. More lanterns. So that was definitely to go, that's a way out that way. This is an, okay, well, looks like we're gonna be going out this way. I can see a main road straight ahead, so we're just gonna follow it. So we started out at that particular spot. Little benches down there. So home right there. So I can even tell you exactly what street we're on now, but I don't think it really matters. The main thing is, you know, we got to explore an interesting. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm very good. So the main thing is we kind of got to explore a little bit and see. That boy had a British accent, thick. Hello, how are you? Okay, so we're gonna come right out to this main street again, and I think this is a good spot to end the video. Oh, we're still on the same one. Jurenfangnan. So basically, I think this, I don't know how the streets are labeled, but that might actually be the whole name of the community. So that might be why it's kind of labeled like that. And now we're just in this, I'm gonna walk over there real quick. I'll show you something real quick. I walked by this thing earlier today. And then we're gonna end it, but this right here, so there's a bookstore right there. Not a bookstore, a city study room. Right there. So it looks really cool. So anyways, I think we're gonna end it on that one, but our little space was down that way. Haikou City Study Room. Then we'll enter a video right here. So now we're just out in the typical Haikou downtown. A lot of the cool shop houses and such. Okay, it's Jurenfang, so 1395. So there's the reference 1925. So this is the communist era. This is the previous dynasty. So this is actually Jurenfang is actually a large community. So now I kind of understand what we were into there. So this is kind of this main street that we're on. Tons of coconuts. This is called the Coconut City. And so this is part of Jurenfang. So I'm actually not going to go in here because I did a little bit already, but I'm going to conclude this video just to kind of say that it's more of a community. Okay.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City bound.